Why are you working so hard, puppy?
When I was poor, everyone watched me. I was hungry, dirty, sad, and boom, viral.
Like this? Perfect.
They like us together.
That's the secret. Why are people watching old videos?
They miss our pain.
One day we'll live rich. Promise? Algorithm promise. I miss being poor. I miss views.
So first poor, then rich?
Yes, welcome to YouTube life. Relax. Algorithm loves drama. First struggle, then lifestyle.